What's going on, everyone? My name's Hayden Davison. Welcome to FBA TV Seller News. In today's FBA TV News, we are talking about the current topic. Let me get the article up here. Amazon teams up with WWE to fight counterfeiters. Amazon and the World Wrestling Entertainment Inc., WWE, have filed joint lawsuits to protect customers and the authenticity of the WWE branded championship title belts. Amazon Counterfeit Crimes Unit and World Wrestling Entertainment Inc., WWE, have filed joint lawsuits against 13 defendants who attempted to market and sell inauthentic replicas of WWE titles best in Amazon stores. I wonder if that was just one seller that then has gone in to create a listing, and then other sellers have gone and found these listings, or they might be importing them from another country, and then now they've just been caught up with a bloody lawsuit with WWE and Amazon. I would not want to be in their shoes right now. Intercontinental United States and NXT Championship title belt designs, official and licensed WWE products branded by our IP, are trusted by our fans around the world, and we go to great lengths to protect our customers from counterfeits and other types of infringements, said WWE Vice President of Intellectual Property Matthew Winterforth. It's our hope that other companies look at Amazon's Counterfeit Crimes Unit as a model of how to partner with companies of any size to help combat this relentless threat. WWE combined its proactive IP monitoring enforcement program with Amazon's Project Zero and brand registry protection tools to defend infringement listings. Amazon's removed them. They've been removed. WWE partnered with Amazon's Counterfeit Crimes Unit to pursue these lawsuits, targeting bad actors who attempted to sell counterfeit products, falsely represent their locations' identities. One group of the defendants was found to be operating a fraudulent business out of New Jersey. In addition to the lawsuits, Amazon and WWE worked with the Middlesex County Prosecutor's Office in New Jersey to pursue these bad actors, which led to felony counterfeiting charges against two connected individuals for the sale of WWE Championship titles. What happened to them? I want to know what happened to them. Amazon's Counterfeit Crimes Unit is a team of former federal prosecutors, former law enforcement agents, experienced investigators and data analysts. The team was formed to work with brands and law enforcement to hold bad actors accountable. I'm never going to sell anything counterfeit on Amazon. You can tell why they're so hot on it. If you get a counterfeit complaint, for anyone that sells on Amazon, you'll know what I mean. Let me know in the comments below. If you've ever had a counterfeit claim, Amazon takes no prisoners. Amazon is committed to the authenticity of products in our store and protecting our customers from all forms of counterfeits, including those impacting fans of an iconic entertainment brand, said Kabara Smith, director of Amazon's Counterfeit Crimes Unit. We will continue to work with WWE and Middlesex Country law enforcement to bring these bad actors to justice. I thought it was these bad asses. Oh wow, how crazy is that? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. That is absolutely crazy. Can you imagine waking up in the morning and looking at your seller account and seeing a message from the lawyers of WWE, Amazon, and also Middlesex Counterfeit my office? Wow. I mean, God knows. I mean, they're probably not talking prison time here, but they're talking a big fine, and they're probably never going to be allowed to sell on Amazon again. So it's probably ruined their business overnight, and they've probably got a hefty fine they've got to pay back. They've probably also got thousands and thousands of products on the way to the fulfillment center, also currently in the fulfillment center and things like that. So yeah, big lesson there. Not that we need to know it. Don't sell anything counterfeit on Amazon. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and I will see you all very, very soon. Hey everyone, got some exciting news. So I've just got a sponsor for this YouTube channel, and the sponsor is Awesome, the accounting and bookkeeping service. They're going to help sponsor this YouTube channel so that I can push it further and further. Now, Awesome I've personally been using for around about a year and a half now, and what I love about Awesome is that their pricing is great. I think it's very fair pricing, and I don't think that you can get a better accountant for the price. And also, on top of that, they use something that's quite unique. So they use their own software, which integrates things like Link My Books, Zero, and things like that. And not only that, you've got all of your account summaries on the dashboard. You've got a chat that you can chat to them at any time. They're on My Books, my accounting and bookkeeping all the time, so that me and my team can focus on doing what makes us money, which is obviously selling on Amazon. So if you do want to check them out, I've managed to actually get a 2 months free accounting for anyone that uses the link below. And I would highly recommend that you save that. If you're not going to use it now, save it so that you can use it on a later date for your accounting, because obviously that's a bit of a no-brainer. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let's get back to the video.